Welcome to another video from Auto Garage Live, and today I'm going to be changing the air filters in my 2005 R230 Mercedes SL with a 3.7 litre V6 engine. This will apply to every other Mercedes that uses this engine. I think perhaps the V8s are the same. So flip off the engine cover, it just pulls off, comes in two sections. Flip it upside down and it's a T20 Torx bit to unscrew the casing that covers the air filter, and there's one on each side. There you go. So take out those four screws very quickly, and it's a panel filter that's housed within that. So every time you're changing your air filters, just remember to buy two of them. And if you're wanting to buy new air filters, I'll show you the part number. These are OEM Mercedes ones, but they're made by MAN filters, and you can pause this video and look at that part number if you want to order these for your own car. Now, you can put K&Ns and stuff in these. To me, it's a waste of money. These are so cheap. Replace them every year and you're fine. K&N filters to me aren't going to add any horsepower at all. So we'll give this a good clean out and a hoover, and we'll clean the whole thing, because that's just what we do around here. We don't just replace the filters, we'll clean the whole thing before we put it back on. And that's us, ready to put the engine cover back on. Main bit just pushes down into place. This bit clips in, slides in first, then you just press it down at the front. And the other two bits that you need are the air ducts, which are two just plastic pipes that just pull off. They're not clipped in or anything like that. They just simply push fit into the front of the engine where the air intake starts, and then they push fit into the engine cover that feed into the new air filters that you've just installed. Just like that, just pull back, push it in the hole, and that's it. And they just sit there. It's kind of strange if you're not used to that, but they don't like physically get screwed in or anything like that. They just sit there and they ain't going to move. So if you've never done this job before, it's a really easy one to do. If you haven't worked in your car much, you're not confident, try this first. It really is pretty simple. And that is it. 5-minute job in reality. 20 for me, so I clean everything, but that is us all done. Yeah!